Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check the preview in Photoshop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Photoshop. So I'm going to open the Photoshop. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, it will be open. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, it will take few seconds in loading the image. It's up to your device configuration. If your device will be good, it will be imported smoothly and it will take less time. So now what we have to do, we have to apply some settings. As we can see the difference between in before and after. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use this one, and let's increase this. I'm going to use this one as well. I'm going to increase this. As we can see the difference. And for example, I'm going to use this one as well. So let's increase this again. So as you can see now, this is the image. Now if you want to check out the preview, you have to click on this icon. The image was this before the editing, and after the editing, image look like this. So in this way you can check out the preview, that how the image was before the editing and how the image is after the editing. In this way you can check out the preview. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check the preview in Adobe Photoshop app. So see you guys in the next video.